Well, let's start by jumping into some spring cleaning. You know, if you got a lot of dirt and moss and mildew that's on your siding and walks and decks and driveways, why not pick up this new pressure washer from Greenworks? It's the 2300 PSI electric pressure washer. It combines power and technology and convenience for effective cleaning. That's lots of cool features. Two I want to highlight: Smart Flow. It's a water pressure sensing technology which adjusts based on the job to deliver just the perfect amount of water right where you need it, and it generates up to 2.3 gallons per minute. It also has jet flow technology which responds to the job at hand. That delivers up to 50% more power, which will help you reach up higher areas on the house and get it rinsed a lot more quickly. The brushless technology gives you a lot of power. I love that the gun mounts right from the rear, so it's easy to use, and all the accessories are stored on board. Speaking of spring cleaning, most of us have a dozen or more cleaning products in the house. Here's one that can replace them all. It's from Simple Green. It's a single cleaner. It works on hundreds of different surfaces without harming you or the environment. Non-toxic, biodegradable, easily removes tough dirt, and it's concentrated. So 1 gallon of Simple Green can be diluted with water to create 10 gallons of general purpose cleaner, or 30 gallons for surfaces like countertops, cabinets, and doors. It's both a cleaner and degreaser that's safe for you and the environment. It's available in original as well as lemon and lavender scents. Now let's talk about some ways to improve the knowledge that you have about where the electricity is going in your house. If you really want to be green, check out the Sense Home Energy Monitor. This is what I've found in my house to be the single best way to reduce my electric bill. It works like a fitness tracker for your home. It tells you what's on, what's off, how much energy it uses in real time. It's mounted into the main electric panel, and then it goes to work identifying and tracking many individual devices by their energy signatures, which is sort of like a fingerprint, and it'll help you understand where all that power is going in your house and help you figure out ways that you can use less of it. The Sense Home Energy Monitor. You can check it out at getsense.com. And finally, let's talk about this beautiful new lawnmower that is just out from Ryobi. It is cordless. It is called the Ryobi 40-volt lithium Smart Trek mower. Intelligent brushless technology, works off of this 40-volt battery and has all the power and runtime you need to do lots of things around the house. Now, I love the fact that the Smart Trek feature is basically designed to keep pace with you as you walk, right? So it doesn't keep up, you don't have to keep up with the mower keeps up with you. The bag comes up on and off very simply, and it all folds up into a vertical or horizontal storage position like this. So between the off seasons or between cuts, it's very easy to store. It's a really well-designed machine just out from Ryobi, available at Home Depot and homedepot.com. If you want more tips about these products and more, go to our website, and that's at moneypit.com.